Hello robotic guys, today I am going to tell you about how to see angle in the Ishikawa robot teach patent. You've seen the open program. You have make idea of that. कि what is the angle of these points? Nothing. So first you have to go in the display. You show that display icon. When you select that, so you show many options like that. You go in the arc information. This arc information icon, when you press that, so you show in the bottom display arc information, torch angle, travel angle, downward angle, and current degree, and so on. Always remember that one thing. when you when you want to see the angle of move j at a joint at a air point so he that teach pendant didn't show. I mean that move j angle always he didn't show in the teach pendant. So always make that before archon, always move c point, never be a move j point. So it doesn't show that. I make this is a uh, is a normal program for your help though. So I want to show that how move j has not shown its angle in the teach pendant. What you have to do first, then you press fast and forward button. That point has to be run. That point has to be run. After that you see in the current bottom line of the current, you see that torch angle 58.3 and travel angle 10.3 and so on, downward angle also. When come on move j, so you see that travel angle, torch angle and travel angle is 0. Now I'm pressing that. That's, you see that only show the asterisk option, nothing has to be shown in angle. Once again I will repeat that program. Thank you. If you have any query or doubt, please comment me.